Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Butter. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to the channel if this is the first time you're watching me. And today's a vlog. It's Butter's birthday vlog. It's August 15 and it's Butter's birthday today. And yeah, he's sleeping. He is just hiding. I just wished him. And okay, where is he? He's hiding right there, as you can see. Butter. So we are gonna celebrate his birthday today, of course. And yeah, before that, we just woke up, and now he still hasn't woken up. As you can see, he's still figuring out a way to get some more sleep. And now I'm gonna go and do my morning skincare routine. So I thought I'll share that with you guys, because after doing my skincare, I'm gonna take a shower. And क्योंकि आज 15th August है, तो in our society we have this small function, छोटू function. So before that I'll do my skincare, and then I will take a shower, and then I'll give him his breakfast, and then we'll move on with the day. And yeah, now let's go and get some skincare done. Guys, I am all set to do my skincare. For the first thing, so the first product that I'm going to use is this Mamaearth Uptan face wash with turmeric and saffron for tan removal. And as we all know, Mamaearth is free from chemicals and is all natural, and it's a plastic positive Indian brand. Now if you guys want to know what plastic positive is, Mamaearth recycles more plastic than they use. They now recycle over 120 metric ton plastics every month, which is amazing. And I just love the brush they give, like the sort of cleansing it does is amazing. So, and every time this happens, I love it. Oh my god, it's amazing. You can use as much as you can, plus you don't have to use your hands. I love foaming face washes, because then I can feel that it is taking all the dirt away from my skin. So basically it's got saffron, turmeric, carrot oil and walnut beads, and what it does to your skin is it makes the skin glow, removes suntan, exfoliates dead skin, and is safe for all skin types. So girls, you can definitely go for it without worrying for anything. So that's the first step. So guys, I am done washing the face, and look at that glow. Oh my god, it's so clean. I love it. I love how it looks on my skin. Oh my god, my skin is glowing every single time I use this face wash, and my skin becomes amazing. Oh my god, I love how my skin looks after using this face wash. So the next step, what I do after generally washing my face with the face wash, I use this Mamaearth Uptan face serum with turmeric and saffron for skin brightening. Now it has also got turmeric, saffron. Beside that, it's got niacinamide, which again is amazing for reduction of pigmentation, and soybean oil. So it gives a very natural glow, and it retains your moisture balance. Plus it repairs sun damage, brightens skins, and is of course suitable for all skin types. And this is amazing because it gives 24-hour hydration, which you will feel instantly. You'll just rub your face, and turant you will feel the hydration within your skin. The glow will come naturally within your skin, so it will feel very refreshing. Trust me, and go for it, guys. I just love this product, and I always love doing my skincare sessions with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy as well. So if you guys want any of these products, you can use my code ANKANA2021 to get 20% off at mamaearth.in. And guys, you can find your own Mamaearth products in Mamaearth app, the website, which is mamaearth.in, Amazon and Flipkart. Also, Mamaearth has taken this amazing initiative, which is every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 their aim is to plant 1 million trees, which is amazing. Oh my god, that's such a great initiative for this environment, and I hope you guys enjoy the session. So guys, now I'm going to change from this shirt because it's wet, and I'll give him the breakfast that he is asking for. So let's go. So guys, guys, for his breakfast he's gonna have his favorite food. This is his favorite dog food, which has turkey वगैरह सब कुछ है. एडी कैन बोलते हैं. It's his favorite food, and उसके साथ his favorite boiled egg. So it's a grand breakfast for him. He either eats Royal Canin or Pedigree, but since today is a special day, he's gonna have both of his favorite foods. So
look at him. He loves it.
look at him. It's like a mukbang video for dogs. तो उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है एग्स और उसका ये जो डॉग फूड है. And I am so happy I can give him that today, and I get to treat him specially for today, and I'm super happy and excited for that. See, he's already done. It took like 20-25 seconds for him to eat it. So after that we went down, we got ready and went down. Me and my mom went down actually for the function that I told you about. Flag hoisting होने वाला है, and that's why all the people have gathered. So we are now seeing that. And due to copyright issues, I had to remove the song. I'll insert some other song. There was this small function. So guys, the function is over. एंड अभी ये कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट पैकेजेस है जो घर पे जाके खा सकते हैं. सो द फंक्शन इन आवर सोसाइटी इज फाइनली ओवर. आई एम गोना गो एंड हैव सम ब्रेकफास्ट. आई एम डाइंग टू ईट. सो गाइस, अभी ये दोपहर का लंच टाइम हो रहा है, एंड ही इज गोइंग टू हैव हिज लंच राइट नाउ. सो आई विल शो यू व्हाट स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट ही इज गेटिंग फॉर हिज लंच. He will be eating mutton today for lunch, and it's made of course without salt and everything, just water and thoda sa haldi, and with lots of vegetables. You can see there are lots of vegetables. So I'm gonna just smash the mutton with his rice and everything, and he's gonna eat it. So I'll show you that. So as you can see, I have just smashed some छोटे pieces कर दिया. Now he will eat this. तो गाइस, अभी हम लोग पूरा दोपहर में बैठ के हम लोगों ने बैठ के इसका ऐसे पार्टी डेकोरेशन करा है. हम लोगों ने वो करा है. यहाँ पे वो फ्लेक्स पार्टी लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ पे बर्थडे बॉय जिसने से हैप्पी पहना है, और यहाँ पे है डेकोरेटर्स. देखो बटर, लुक एट बटर. So this is a small छोटू decor for his birthday party. Yeah. तरफ से बटर का गिफ्ट है बर्थडे का, जो मैं उसको अभी दूंगी. ये आ गया था 2-3 दिन पहले, बट आई डिड नॉट गिव हिम. बटर दिस इज हिज बर्थडे केक. इट्स अ वाइट फॉरेस्ट केक, बट इसमें उसका 1 भी लिखा है, और इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन भी करूँगी. यहाँ पे आई एम एडिंग सम डॉग बिस्किट. द केक वॉज डॉग फ्रेंडली, मतलब डॉग्स खा सकते हैं, बट देन दे वर चार्जिंग अ लॉट फॉर जस्ट द बिस्किट्स, एंड आई हैड हिज बिस्किट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ हिज बिस्किट्स. सो आई थॉट कि वाई पे अ लॉट ऑफ अमाउंट फॉर समथिंग दैट आई ऑलरेडी हैव. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू कस्टमाइज इट. तो ये है बटर का बर्थडे केक, एंड अभी हम लोग केक कटिंग करेंगे.